Jump. Jump. Alright, we're doing Thief this time. Setting up my keybinds. Oh, we're not doing Thief, we're doing Warrior. Okay. Usually put iframe there, magnet, put there, and this one put here. Okay. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, this skill is so satisfying. And you get triple. Only hits 2? Oh, that sucks. I thought this hit 3. Hits 3 times 2. So that's 6? Bone Helm. Can we can't get the Bone Helm anymore, can we? Or can we? I feel like that is a OG item that you can no longer get. Die. Yeah. Yeah. You get out of here, Horny. No one wants you in our dungeon. Yeah. See, I'm a bishop, but actually I'm a warrior. What's up? What is this weapon called? This is a cool weapon. It's like a syrupal spear. It's like I think, or like a serpent, maybe serpent's tongue. Cool item though. Iframe, let's go. Boss time. My bad, guys. I slacked. Get over here. Get over here. Ha! This is... I didn't even think about this. We could totally cheese him. Man. It's so pro. Hey! Get over here! Yeah, that's right. You magnetic stone block. You... Let's go. Ah! Oh, I was gonna die. Ah! I bet. Oh no. Come on! Get over here! Yeah! No! Jump! Oh, way too late. But whatever. Alright. There we go. We're so pro. Let's go. Rush down. Rush, run. Rush. Rush. Meh. I didn't know this move stunned you. That sucks. But I guess... I literally... I think my highest warrior like, modern times was, like, 32 fighter. So, I don't know anything about these cool DK skills. But I know I can cheese this angle. Look at this! Holy! Oh! Oh, I can't hit those. Okay, whatever. Oh, but this hits everything. Okay, there we go. We'll just spam this. What is this called? Dragon Roar. Spear Crusher. Why can't I open my inventory, my equips, and see what I'm wearing? That would be cool. Some of this I want to anvil, like that Serpent's Tongue. I think the Serpent's Tongue is what that's called. Or if that's... Maybe that's the KMS version. Sometimes they not very common. They try to stick to the names, but sometimes they do get a little creative and they decide to rename the items. But Serpent's Tongue, like, that's such a cool name.
I'm not crazy. I'm a oh shit.
I'm a floopie goober.
They ain't ready for what we about to bring back. They ain't ready for Tyler with the green hat.
Where the Mage at?
Bruh.
Where my health at? Come on, dog. Lure. I'm trying, dude. I'm trying. Oh no, somebody's messaging me on Disc. So, like, which move is better? I feel like they're kind of the same. 4,500 one time, 1,000 3 times. Oh, so this is better. This is better no matter what.
Pause. Hey, what the fuck right now?
Okay. Okay. This guy doesn't like being told what to do. No! Let me through! Oh. Yeah, so we want to use the magician snail on this guy when he has his shield up because he takes ones. Oh, there we go. There we go. As you can see, I'm not a very warrior type of play style. But yeah, this move is better. I have to use this move. No matter what, this move is better. And we'll probably have to iframe. Yeah, right here. Never mind. Yeah, right there. That's good. You missed the iframe, but we got the glory. Aggro! Hey! Hey, pay attention to me. There we go. So yeah, the shield, when he takes ones, you snail him. I think the turning him into a snail raises his defense, but better than hitting ones. Aggro. Come on. GG, thank you. Okay, so that was the bishop run as a warrior. Yeah. That'll be the day when we could job class change to a completely different class. Thank you for watching. This has been the Maple Adventure. The adventure begins. Bye.